Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at the SumoSprings Rebel Custom Helper Springs for your Ram 250. This is going to be a great option to help enhance the suspension on your rear axle of your vehicle so that if you're hauling heavy loads, you got a lot put in the back, whether it's a trailer, gooseneck, fifth wheel, or just hauling a lot of equipment back there. These are going to help reduce that sag that you can often get in the back of your truck, which has a lot of detrimental side effects, such as bringing your headlights up into the eyes of oncoming traffic, causing your steering to be light because the weight is being shifted off the front tires, putting all that weight on the back. It's going to cause a lot of wear on your rear suspension. So all of those problems can be alleviated or at least improved with the rear suspension enhancement systems. Now, the category of suspension enhancement system covers several different options. The one that most people are familiar with are airbags. They're a way of helping to support your rear suspension. These are an alternative method. There's some benefits over airbags. So one thing is they're much easier to get installed. These are a custom fit, and they're going to have the brackets that will make it very easy to get installed on your 2014 and newer Ram 250. So very easy to get put in place. You're not going to have to worry about running airlines or anything like that. Second, they're very easy to maintain. With your airbags, you often have to make sure that it has enough air pressure so that it's not going to pinch down on itself. You have to adjust the air pressure if you want more pressure, if you want less pressure. There's a lot of maneuvering and adjustment with that. With these, you just put them in place, get them installed, and then you forget about them. They're just going to do their job. You don't have to worry about adding air to them or anything like that. So that's the benefit of them. The downside is with airbags, you can adjust them. So if you want a little bit more pressure, you just add air in. You want less pressure, so you don't have the adjustability with these. Another downside is with airbags, you can adjust side to side. So if you have an off-center load, really heavy toolbox on one side of your truck, something like that, you can put more air in that airbag to give you more support on that side. So those are adjustable. So benefits, detriments, I really like these myself. I'm the kind of guy that just wants to get it installed once and forget about it. People that have used these have said it's a noticeable difference that definitely gives you a lot of support. Now keep in mind, no matter what kind of suspension enhancement system you get, whether it's airbags or these, they're not going to increase your load carrying capacity of your vehicle. That's not what they're designed for. So think of it less like a second set of hands that's helping you lift more weight. Think of it more like a back brace. So it's there to just kind of help support your suspension system, allow it to lift as much as it can already, but just to have less wear on it so that it will last much longer. So these are going to be rated for up to 5,000 pounds, so it will be capable of helping with the full weight carrying capacity of your Ram 250. Again, won't exceed that weight carrying capacity. It'll just help support it during that. These are a two-piece design, so once you have them mounted on the two different locations, they will interact with each other. You've got lots of movement there, so unlimited suspension travel is available. Make sure that you get a nice smooth ride, whether you're loaded or unloaded. It will still work really well for you, even on rough terrain. If you're often bottoming out or anything like that, these are going to work really great for that. They do work independently from each other, so like I said, with the airbags, you can adjust them. With these, you won't be able to adjust them, but they basically adjust themselves to a certain degree. So if you have an off-centered load, they will, one will start supporting that load. The other one can still be free, so it's not going to cause any damage. It will help during that body roll that you sometimes get when you take sharp turns. All that weight will be put on the one side. It will be able to handle that. The other one will still be free, so you're not going to get any shifting or anything like that. It will help side-to-side movement as well. These are a durable microcellular urethane. So they are going to hold up to temperature extremes from negative 25 degrees Fahrenheit up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. They'll also resist damage caused by road salts, oils, and UV rays. So they're going to hold up well and do a good job for you. One thing I really like about these is that they have a progressive load. So basically, the more weight you put on them, the more they're going to compress and stiffen. So it's going to give you more support the more it's compressed. So kind of their way of giving you more support as you get more and more weight put on there. They get stiffer as they compress. So that's a really nice design with this microcellular urethane. You are going to get both jounce style springs, so one for each side, and then all the necessary hardware to get it installed. They do include instructions to help you with that, but it's really a simple process. Like I said, these are made here in the USA, so you can trust they're made to the high quality standards that we've come to know and trust for products that are made here in the US. And they do come with a limited lifetime warranty, so if you were to have any problems with them, you could give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out with that. But I really think you're going to be happy with these. Like I said, the main feature in my mind is just being able to put it in and forget about it. Just have that constant comfort in your ride, helping to reduce some of those downsides of carrying heavy loads and not having to adjust it or anything like that. So if you're looking for a rear suspension enhancement system, I'd say this is going to be a great option for you. We do have others available here at etrailer.com. So if you are leaning more towards the airbag for that adjustability features, we do have lots of those available here as well. So we want to make sure that you're getting the product that you need the first time. So that's what we're here for. And that's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.